So guys, we're back here with another video. And today I got my early Christmas present. So let's see what it is. So it's a car washing kit from CarPlan. Let's see what's in it. I'll get to you whenever I get into it. Okay guys, so I'm into it now. As you can see, it came with 7 things. So let's check. So first of all, we have this Demon Wheels Fast Wheel Cleaner. Cleans all wheels by CarPlan. It should work pretty good. I haven't tried it out yet as any of this stuff. So let's get to the next thing. We got some Demon Shine, spray on shine, up to 10 shines by CarPlan as well. All this stuff's Demon by CarPlan. So yeah, let's get into the next thing. And this time it's Demon Foam, Snow Foam Car Shampoo, Active Foam Formula. As you can see, it's Demon and it's from CarPlan. Look, and I got the Demon Valet pack, if you didn't know. 8 items, but I got an air freshener in it, but that's downstairs, so there's only 7 items in it. So the next thing, Demon Tires. Wet Look Tires, Instant Tire Shine. Pretty cool. Demon and CarPlan. Demon Clean, Active Super Clean for interior and exterior use. Pretty cool too. Now we're into the last 2 things. It's a large brick sponge, nice and squishy. I'll be using this to clean my car. And there's another thing in here, which is the microfiber cloth that I'll be using to clean. And I have one more thing that I have to get. Come on with me. It's the bucket. So, yeah. The bucket I'm going to put my water in. And yeah. So, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Peace out.